Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We wanted to do a bit of a micro counting exercise down here to talk to you about, what could really happen on the, let's say, 30-minute time frame to keep it a bit interesting while the market is boring. Also talk about the likelihoods and the relevant pivot points and movements. First of all, let's talk about the short-term bullish wave count, and that would be the wave count highlighted here in yellow. This would mean we have to hold 1818. The yellow wave count, I will take it off the chart below 1818. The idea is that we are going up in a 5-wave move. Only then we can really confirm that a lasting low has been established here. And the 3-wave pullback would be needed as well. This is just what I need to see to establish and confirm that a lasting low has been established here on the 7th of August. Until then, I cannot confirm that. So, and I also don't really believe it until I really see it. It is possible, I'm open to it. And it is not an unlikely wave count, but in my opinion, less likely and less reliable than the white wave count, which would still suggest another low in the yellow support area. So again, I cannot really confirm this scenario until it is done, and I cannot confirm that a lasting low has been established. Now, I had a comment about this in one of the previous, I think it was a Bitcoin video. Basically the comment that, okay, you cannot confirm it until it's done. That means you miss on the entire move. No, that's not the case, because the yellow support area is basically the entry point, and that already worked out. It's not about missing the move. Basically, based on this analysis and this setup, we are already positioned for this move. It's just that I cannot confirm at this stage that the low has already been established until I see this 5-wave move play out with a 3-wave pullback afterwards, okay? So the move would, of course, we would participate in the move, but the thing is, due to the unclear bottoming structure here, we cannot confirm that a low is already in without seeing the entire move. That would be easier had Ethereum rallied here in 5 waves, but this is actually on the lower time frame just a 3-wave move, this move between the 7th and the 8th of August. Therefore, I have to see the entire 5-wave move. Again, if this had this been an impulse, we wouldn't need all of this. But unfortunately, it was only a 3-wave move, so I would have to see the entire 5-wave move play out. That's just how it is. So again, this comment came from the false assumption that you have to wait for confirmation until you can make a trade. That's not the case. I don't wait for confirmation when making a trade. I trade where the reward and the risk are in a favorable relationship and ratio. That's what it's about, not about waiting for confirmation. You will only always have confirmation afterwards. That's the point. You can only confirm something as soon as you see certain things play out. That's the difference between trading and analysis. Don't mix it up. But yeah, this is the short-term bullish wave count. It would need to hold 1818 for that, and we would need to see a break above 1870 as first indication that the yellow wave count works out. Until then, we can focus on the white wave count, because this is the short-term bearish count, which is currently the leading scenario. We had here a potential 5-wave move down in a wave 1 of wave C. So the C wave again is a 5-wave move. Looking at the micro count here, a leading diagonal, wave 1 in 3 waves, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So that's how you do the micro count, but that's potentially dangerous, these micro counts. Then here an A wave up, a B wave down, and the C wave up in a wave 2. Did react to the resistance area I provided, and then we could be moving down in a 3rd wave now. Here again, the question is, okay, is this all again a diagonal? It could be. Then actually we would have here an A wave, a B wave, and probably a C wave. So we would then also be looking for, it's actually probably like that. The 3rd wave could be an ABC structure as well, A, B, C, because we're dealing with a diagonal here again. So this is sort of a potential micro count. Then the wave 4 would be an ABC, and the wave 5 as well. We'll see how the wave 3 plays out. But ultimately here, to confirm this, I would need to see a break below 1818. At least below yesterday's low, or today's low actually, that is, which is here at 1833. And that's sort of where we are, right? So I'm still looking for a clearer low in the yellow support area. And yeah, the yellow wave count, I would really only believe when I see it. But yeah, again, the turnaround already happened where it needed to. It's just that I think we need a clearer, or it would be ideal to get a clearer support or a clearer bottoming structure, because so far our low that we made was okay, but the move afterwards wasn't really clear. So the move afterwards, which happened here to the upside, wasn't really suggesting to us that a low has already been made. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.